Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for Wi-Fi and phone cards on the trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the home button down below and click on attractions and tours at the top on the right side of the screen. After that, you should click on the Wi-Fi and phone card option after selecting your destination. That you can do so by tapping on the search bar at the top and type in the name of your city, or click on this arrow pointing downwards and select from these options. So click on Wi-Fi and phone cards. Here you can see a bunch of filters such as Wi-Fi, SIM card available today, or instant confirmation. You can also sort by top rated, most booked, lowest or highest price. Here you can see the results. Click on the relevant one that you are interested in. Here you can see what it includes, the details, and if you would like to, you can also book it by clicking on the book now button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.